Red curry to Thai people is like tomato sauce to the Italians. Important and versatile. And if you like it, make lots because it'll keep in the freezer for a long time. Now, red curry is red because of red chilies. And I've got two types. Fresh ones. Now, these are called bird's eye chilies or prickinu, and these are hot. The dried ones, though, have a nice smoky flavor. These aren't as hot, so it'll give you all the color without the heat. Now, with the dried ones, I've soaked them in some hot water, which will soften them, make them easier to blend. Now, the fresh ones go in without the top, though. Some galangal. Galangal is fresh and cooling. Some garlic. There's always garlic in curry paste. Now, shallots to Thai cuisine is what onion is to Western cuisine. It is our main source of that pungence. And white peppercorns to us is what black peppercorns are to Western cuisine. It's almost the only type of pepper we use. Cilantro roots are great in a red curry paste because they give that same aroma I love in cilantro without turning the paste green. Some lime zest, lemongrass. I just use the bottom half because that's where the flavor is concentrated. And just a quick smash, just so when I cut it, the pieces are smaller. I love slicing lemongrass. The smell, it's like being in a spa. And of course, it wouldn't be a Thai curry paste without fermented shrimp paste. Really pungent flavor, so a little goes a long way. A little pinch of salt, and blitz away. Whew, look at that. I can smell all those flavors.